I'm very thankful. Amen. And I'm thankful to the bishop, Dr. Clinton, thank you, Miss Tika, and all the family here, and my mom, and Sister Rogers. We got outside back Sunday school, of course, and Brian, thank you, and Kenton, and Reverend Glory.
Amen.
Amen. So I want to sing this one particular song that's very dear to my heart, and I'm always looking up. You'll never know that you're my hero, and like the one I'd like to be, I could fly higher than an eagle, but you are the wind beneath my wings.
Yes, yes.
I could be near words. I know I may have gone unnoticed, but I want you to know the truth, and there's nothing left to do. You'll never know that you're my hero, and like the one I'd like to be, I could fly higher than an eagle, for you are the wind beneath my wings. I'm sorry about the song, but I got it out a little bit.
Sing another one, go
This is what my mom was trying to teach me, but the words had to come back.
Oh, okay.
So we go clap and sing. Come on in this house. Come on in this house. You in here? Come on in this house. Oh Lord, come on in this house. She said, come on in this house. There's singing and praising going on.
Yeah.
Come